This is the Delta single setting Raincan. As you can see, we've installed it recently in our recent bathroom renovation here. Full Delta suite here with the overhead Raincan. See the spray. I'll turn it on for you guys. Gives good coverage, good pressure. It's got the 6-inch down rod included. As you can see, very little, pretty straightforward pool here. Doesn't spray everywhere or anything like that. It just goes straight down. One of the things that I've enjoyed about this one, it is wide. There's some of them out there that are, the cheapy ones that are just maybe 6 to 10 inches wide. I feel like when I stand in this one, it covers my entire shoulders all the way down. So kudos to them on that. Everything looks really nice. Good chrome finish throughout on the down rod, on the mounting base, including the Raincan itself. So all in all, looks great, feels great.
Ooh.